Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NAYA TRENDS. Today I am sharing a recipe of homemade Besan face mask with you all. This face mask is suitable for all skin types. It controls oil and gives you glowing fair skin. All the ingredients that we are using for making this mask is very easily available in your kitchen. So let's see what are the ingredients are. The first ingredient that we need is besan, or it can also be called as gram flour, which has natural properties which fights pimples, reduces oil and removes tan. The next ingredient that we need is turmeric, which is also known as haldi. It has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that helps in reducing acne. Next we need curd. It contains various natural substances such as zinc, lactic acid, calcium and vitamin E, which are good for our skin. Adding it to the face pack will make our skin healthy, glowy and wrinkle free. And we also need little amount of rose water. So now let's move on to the preparation. For making the mask, we need to take a clean bowl. Now we have to add 2 spoons of gram flour to it. After adding 2 spoons of gram flour, now add the little amount of haldi to it. Next, add 1 spoon of curd. Now the last ingredient that we are going to add is a little amount of rose water. Mix well until everything gets combined. You get a lump-free smooth paste. As you can see, my face mask was very dry, so I have added more curd to it. Again mix it until everything gets combined well. And finally, this is what the consistency of a face mask should be like. And our face mask is ready to be used. Apply a thick layer of face mask on your face like so. And let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries completely. After your face mask has dried completely, wash it off with cool water. You will have to do this regularly for better result. Try this face mask and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.